Mr. Speaker, sir, I just want to know from the Honorable Chief Minister, as we know that the fish market is very large in our state, have the government have taken into consideration that around 500 fishing competitions have been held in the state every year, and around 3 lakh kg of fish is being imported from outside the state. Why not the government encourage that those fish competition organizer take the fish from the farmer of the state, because of the 3 lakh kg, around 10 crore, the fish, the organizer have spent importing only for the sake of organizing of fish competitions, sir.
Yes, sir. Though this is not directly part of the question, but it is definitely linked to the question in overall fish production. So just for the, again, knowledge of the entire House, sir, the fishing competition, of course, is a very popular affair in our state. And we have had a lot of different situations to handle with. But I'm happy to inform that in the past, the respective deputy commissioners used to give permission at their own level. And there was no proper centralized regulated system in the state. So we are in the process of, number one, regulating the fishing competition sector, because it is important, sir. So therefore, even things like where should they buy the fish, we can encourage them, sir. But as I said, regulation of this is important because it is something that people enjoy, but it should be done in a regulated manner. So therefore, that process is on, sir, number one, so that everybody can enjoy it and it's a win-win situation for all. Number two, sir, as I said, even now, sir, we are facing almost close to 12,000 metric tons. So that's roughly, sir, about 240 crores worth of fish is what the shortage we have, even for our consumption in the state. So there's a huge market of about 240 crores still there for people to tap into. So yes, sir, the suggestion given by the Honorable Member will also help in increasing the revenue of the farmers. I will definitely take note of this, and we will encourage that even for future competitions that the fish can be bought from the local farmers. So there's a good suggestion, sir, but of course I cannot comment on it or mandate it as of now. We are under the process of regulating and providing and preparing the guidelines, sir, and we will consult stakeholders and suggest this point, sir. Thank you, sir.